this is the camera that's always mounted onto my helmet on the front, right? So every time I want to mount it on here, this is the microphone adapter which goes inside here. That sits on there, clips into place, and that plugs in the side there like that. I looked at one of the videos on the helmet camera, and this thing has stopped working. This thing. It's one of the two. It's either that or the microphone that plugs into it. Now, if that doesn't happen, then all you get is the microphone on the Action 4. Now, when I'm moving along anything more than about 5 miles an hour, then you can't hear a bloody thing. I've checked back 2 days before I left Chaipoon. That's when it started messing up, which I think is when we had some rain.
Right, it's 34 degrees and we're now heading for Surin. Goodbye, Pocket Park. Oh, this thing's a bit top heavy. Ah, that's been good. That's a really nice place to stay. How can I explain it? Immaculate. Absolutely immaculate place. Staff amazing, everything amazing. If you're in the area, or if you're in Chaipoon, I highly recommend going there. You've got to go straight over here without getting wiped out, because nobody seems to know who's got to give way to who, because this island is more like an island. I've decided this thing it's overloaded. It took me over an hour to load it this morning. I mean, I couldn't do this on a regular basis. I'm glad I stopped there for a month instead of a week. And obviously this is Chaipoon Centre. I think I didn't actually get to see in the city itself so much. I only managed to get around the outer sort of areas. Now, I can't go too quickly. It says 3 hours 43 minutes to Surin, but I doubt it very much, because I can't go too quickly because of my rear tyre situation. I never got to walk around all these places. I was more interested in going out of town sort of thing, or out of the city. Guess who's got a puncture? Looks like the plug came out. My only choice is to fix it again. I didn't want to be doing this now. This is what I did it yesterday, but it looks like it didn't work. Just try and blow it up, see what happens. See if it has. It might have taken just inside, I don't know.
มันรั่วเหรอ
Anywhere.
อ๋อ นี่ไงร้านซ่อมอยู่ตรงนี้
เนี่ย
เหลือร้านซ่อม ทีนี้จะไปยังไงโอ้ไปไม่ได้ใช่ไหมเดี๋ยวแป๊บนึงนะฮัลโหลค่ะสร้างจอย อันที่ทำเนี่ยเจ้าปะยางรถมอไซค์ลอยใหญ่ๆเป็นบ่พอดีอันฝรั่งอ่ะเพิ่น
Thank you. Right. Meet my new friend at the diesel pump. I've got a bit of a problem. I don't know if you saw that or heard any of it, but basically what's happened is I've got another puncture, or it might be the same puncture that I've now filled with glue, because when I put the bacon strip in I went to take it out, unfortunately the strip didn't come out, it's still in the tyre. So very kind woman over there. So this is what Thai people are like. If they see someone else, she came over and she says in Thai, which I didn't understand a word she said, to be honest, but with the translation, she's now called a mechanic and the mechanic's on his way. So I've got to unload the bike, I've got to take the side boxes off, ready for when this bloke comes round, get it on the centre stand. Actually I've got to take everything off, get on the centre stand so we can take the back wheel off and go and fix the puncture. How long was it? 15 minutes, I think. He came out, he's plugged 2 holes and charged me 300 for a call out to fix a puncture. I mean, to be honest, if it wasn't a farang, it'd probably be about 150, but I'm not arguing. So how much is that? £7.50. £7.50 for a call out and 2 punctures fixed. So I use super glue on it. That is quite big bloody plug, that is. So I've got to load the bike back up. I'm about half an hour behind schedule now, but we'll see how it goes, see if it lasts until I get a new tyre.
Surin
Yes
ไม่โอ้ย300 กิโลใช่อยู่ยังรู้อะโอเคนะไปได้นะ no one man
ใช่
โอเคขับรถดี
everything fine
ใช่
ไม่เป็นไร
ไม่เป็นไรได้อยู่นะโอเคเยี่ยมไป ครับผมขอบคุณครับ
we're done. Why ain't my GPS working now? It's just one thing after another, isn't it? Oh my god. I lost GPS. It says something went wrong. But I think we're back in the game. Going down the motorway, as you can see, we have some cows coming the other way. Oh, I've seen all of it now. I've seen it all now. Oh, there's the power wires. Obviously they're not connected. But do they stop the traffic? No, just put it over the traffic. Stopped at a very random place, just under this tree. I don't know what kind of tree it is. It doesn't matter. Can you hear it? The one thing about Thai people, well, there's many things. There's many good things, believe me. Really good thing is they know how to party. So it's basically a karaoke that will go on for probably days, to be honest. They usually keep them going for days. Somebody's wedding or somebody's party or... What the hell are these things landing on me? Oh, go away. Right. I've only got 30 minutes left, but... I had to stop. My leg is giving me some right grief at the minute. Look at that. It just makes me smile. Right. Oh, onwards and upwards. There! There! Okay, Kokunka, thank you. Yes, there is reception. England.
You boxing?
No.
Should you really be eating while you're doing that?
Yeah.